Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So my first EORS video got so much of love from you guys that I thought I should just shoot my part 2 very quickly. So I'm here back with all the parcels that were due from EORS, which is the end of season sale at Myntra. Now these are the parcels I have received today. These are a total of 10 or rather 11. I have opened one. So let's quickly open all these 11 parcels. I am extremely sorry I cannot do a try on haul right now because of a physical condition. So please pardon me for that. I will list down all the links in the description box for you guys to check out. I also have all the prices that I finally paid listed down right here in an Excel sheet. So that is how organized recently I've become. Okay, so without much talking, let's get started. Let me open the first parcel right in front of you. I'm not sure if this is from the menswear collection, but let's see. Okay. So yeah, this is from my menswear shopping. This is a t-shirt from Puma for my husband. I'll show you how this looks like. There are a lot of products, probably at least more than 15 pieces, so we need to hurry up. Now this is a good neon colored t-shirt. I wanted to buy this for him for his gym, and this retails originally for rupees, wow, 3,999, which is about 4,000 bucks. And I think he paid only a fraction of this. I think he paid only about rupees 450 or 500 for this one. Yeah, I make sure that I sometimes make him also spend on Myntra because I'm usually broke because of my shopping and all those splurges. Now this is again a t-shirt from Nike, or rather a gym vest. Now this is a good material. It's Dri-Fit by Nike. It originally retails for rupees 1295, and I think we got this for rupees 600 during the sale. I will list down all the links, so you need not worry about that. Now the next parcel looks very small. There's only one thing probably inside this. Let me just quickly open this. Okay, so this is again a t-shirt by a brand called Splash. I'm not sure if you've heard of this one, but they were at a very good discount on Myntra during EORS, up to 80% or 70%. Now this is the t-shirt that I got. It has nice Superman prints right here. This is how it looks. This is again for my husband. It originally retails for rupees 599, and I got this. Can you guys take a guess? I got this just for rupees 124. So this was a deal that I did not want to miss out, and hence I bought it. So now the biggest parcel of all, it is this size, and you will see what is inside this. I think I know. So remember in my last video I had mentioned that I ordered a pantsuit from UCB. I think it is that. Yes, it's that. So okay, this is really beautiful, a blazer. Oh my god, look at the quality. I ordered this blazer for myself. It's a very, very soft fabric. It looks stiff, but it's very, very soft upon touching. It's by United Colors of Benetton. The original MRP of this blazer alone is rupees 4099, which is about 4100 rupees. Now I'll tell you how much did I pay for this. I paid only rupees, take a guess guys, I just paid rupees 1170 for this blazer. Just look at this. You will have to wait for my try on haul once I get better, I get well. So yeah. And now I also ordered matching trousers. So this was not a set. I had to order trousers separately. This is how the trousers look like. I think I've ordered a size bigger and I will need to get this exchanged. But the trouser originally retails for rupees 3399, which is about what, 3,400 bucks. So this is how it looks like. It's a straight fit normal trouser. Again by UCB, as you can see. I'll tell you how much did I end up paying for this. I paid only rupees 909 for this one. That's a smart buy. Need you say so? So next I also got a casual dress from UCB, which is United Colors of Benetton for women. Now this is a simple, very basic floral print dress. This is almost knee length for me. It's in the size medium. Now this originally retails for rupees 2100 approximately. It's 2099 to be precise. I ended up paying, do you guys want to take a guess? So I ended up paying only rupees 561 for this one. I think I've shopped really smart this time and I'm very proud of my shopping skills of late. So, okay, so there's one more dress right here from UCB. It was there in the parcel. Now this is an all-time favorite color. You know, when in doubt, wear red or wear black. So this is a cute red dress. Again, I've probably ordered a size bigger for myself. I don't know why do I keep doing that, but I think it's usually more comfortable to buy a size larger and then you can put a nice belt around this. So this is how the dress looks like. It's a very basic, very simple red dress. Knee length. It's made of polyester, but a good kind of polyester. So this originally retails for rupees 2899, which is 2900. I ended up paying only rupees 775 for this one. So you might not get similar prices because there are a lot of account linked coupons and a few hacks also here and there, which I can share with you guys on a separate video if you want. So let me know if you would want to kind of know all my shopping hacks, especially for Myntra, because I think I'm a veteran there. So now it's time for some ethnic wear shopping. Okay, so I bought this nice dupatta from Fab Valley, India. So I always wanted to buy a dupatta from them, but paying 950 bucks for this kind of a dupatta, which is, you know, so you can see this is plain net and there's beautiful golden border here. This retails for rupees 950 and I ended up paying rupees 478 to be precise for this one. I've also ordered this in one more color. I think that's beige and it's still on its way. Okay, so it's time for more ethnic wear. So I got this Aurelia Kurta from Myntra during EORS. So this is how it looks like. It's a very basic pink kurta. It's nothing fancy. It's pure cotton. So and you know, has 3/4 sleeves. The regular wear, it originally retails for rupees 800, which is basically 799. I ended up paying only rupees 376 for this one. So it's a good buy. Now, of course, none of my shopping sprees are, you know, complete without getting something from Dorothy Perkins. This top, by the way, is from Dorothy Perkins as well. So I got their skinny jeggings this time. I think I've shopped a lot of oversized clothes this time and I should just get them all exchanged. So this originally retails for rupees 1990, approximately rupees 2000. This is a comfortable looking grey jeggings. Nothing too fancy, very basic, but look at the size that I've ordered. I don't know why. So this one I got for, I just have to check the prices. Yeah, I got for rupees 585, the jeggings. Okay, now I also got an Ant top. Ant is again Anita Dongre. So for Western range, I got this very simple looking yellow tank top. I generally don't wear a lot of yellow, so I thought in this sale I should get some yellow pieces for myself. So this is how it looks like. The fabric looks good, you guys. I mean, it's very soft, it's very nice, and it originally retails for rupees 1300. I got this for rupees, let me tell you, yeah. So I got this only for rupees 381. It's a good buy again. Now, let me show you guys the last or the second last parcel that I have here. Okay, so here is that beige dupatta that I was talking about. This is also from India. I again got this at a similar price. It retails for rupees 950, but I got this for rupees 485, as I told you about the other one. So this is a very basic, semi-pure fabric, but I think it looks good on all the ethnic wear. I can pair it up with anything almost, and give this border gives a very nice festive touch to it. It's plain overall, just has some golden border detailing. So with this, let us go quickly to our very last parcel, which is cosmetics. So not cosmetics, but multitude of things. So I got two ProArt brushes. This time they were at some good discount. So this is a crease marking blender brush. It originally retails for rupees 250, and now this is a small angular liner brush, and I can show you how do they look like. The quality seems really good. It's very soft. Yeah, the bristles seem very soft. I think it's very good for blending out. It is a ProArt brush number PE20, and this is PE27. This is a normal angular liner brush, if you can see, or maybe I can show this to you as well. Okay, so both of these retail individually for rupees 225 and 250 respectively, but I think I paid up very less for these brushes. I paid rupees 340 for both of these, so that was the discount that I got. So this is how the brush is. This is a small liner brush. I wanted to do my lower lash line with this one, so I just got this on the fly. So next I got boat earphones. Now this is not returnable, and I realized after shopping that I did not want these. So these originally retail for rupees 1000, which is 999, and I got them for rupees 399 during the EORS. These are normal wired earphones, nothing special. These are not Bluetooth earphones, but I'm hoping to just gift off these to somebody. Now, the last product that I have for you guys is something where I feel cheated. The picture looked really big on Myntra, and I did not go through the quantity mentioned. So I got this Marks and Spencer Aqua EDT, and on the screen I thought I would get a nice bottle which would be at least this size, but this is what I got. Now this originally retails for rupees 599, and I ended up paying rupees 282 for this one. So for 282, I'm okay. I kind of wasted my money. This is not returnable. So, but yeah, this was my shopping precisely from the EORS. Please show a lot of love to this video. I will do a try on video very soon. Please keep on watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. Bye bye.